Hello friends of Trade Ideas, another great day for our subscribers as they were just nailing this trade in RYTM, Rhythm Pharmaceuticals, and you heard it about us on Twitter early and actually not even today but yesterday. So I'm just showing you a couple of the things that I'm planning on working on for tomorrow if it comes out. I don't have to worry about it because I'm already placing my trades in here, but OLB, okay? OPTT. So I'm looking at different stocks that are showing strength. It doesn't have to be difficult. Look at this one I traded today. Okay, 206. It was doing this, pulled back and continued incredible percentage gain. And notice I have my stop set and I can just move this up. Now I'm guaranteed a profit. This is kind of the way we do it, and look at the weekly chart. You can tell there's a lot of potential. So the innovation continues at Trade Ideas, and this is the view you need to have. This is the simple but yet super sophisticated way to never miss a move in any stock, and I continue to showcase this methodology because it's super simple. Anybody can do it. Okay, no squiggly lines. Again, I'm watching, I'm just placing trades, and I've got my stop, and I can adjust this however I want. Okay, just grab it, move it, and there you have it. Please come visit us at www.trade-ideas.com so that you can also be in the next winning trade. Thank you.